17 plus YouTube niches with crazy high CPM rates in 2023. When looking into creating a new YouTube channel, most people go immediately into their comfort zone and create a channel based around their hobbies. It makes a lot sense. Creating a content about your passions is easy and can be very rewarding. But if you want to grow a YouTube channel that would become a real business and earn a reliable income over a long period of time, creating a channel solely around your hobbies can be a fatal mistake. You don't want to waste your time putting lots of effort into making videos that would end up not give you any income. You have to find a niche that earns a high CPM rate from YouTube ads. Not all niches are born equal. Let's run a little scenario so you could have a better understanding of what I am talking about when it comes to CPM and its importance. Let's assume you and me both start a channel at the same time. Your channel is about playing video games, while mine is about drop shipping services. Both of our channels get some decent traction, and after a few months of hard work, we both reach the monetization goals and start earning ad revenue from our videos. After our first month of monetization, you get your very first AdSense check. You had over 50,000 monetized plays this month, and with an average CPM of $1.50, you earned a total of $75. At the same time, my smaller channel had only 20,000 monetized plays, but while your CPM was $1.05, my videos about dropshipping received an average CPM of $12, earning me $240, more than 3 times your earnings from less than half the amount of viewers you had. Consider your YouTube channel as your real business and not just a hobby. That's the first pillar to any sort of YouTube success. Which niche should I choose for my YouTube channel? The main issue when it comes to finding profitable YouTube niches is the lack of knowledge and transparency. Most people in the industry act solely based on hunches, and actual facts are hard to come by. A common advice and misconception I see everywhere online is to find the highest paying AdSense keywords via the Google keyword tool and try to create videos on those topics. While it may sound like a good idea, those are two completely different beasts. The top 2 highest paying AdSense keywords in 2023 are attorney and electricity. It's important to understand that there's no direct correlation between Google and YouTube. They are different platforms who attract different audiences, and in order to succeed in YouTube you need to adapt to its existing audience base. How to find the best YouTube niches. Luckily for us, this month I have analyzed over 100 different YouTube income report videos in the pursuit of finding accurate details regarding average YouTube CPM numbers and how much you can realistically earn. I urge you to not focus on the exact CPM rate, but look into it as an estimate of what you could earn with the right content strategy before making the final decision of which niche you want to get into. Lastly, please notice that for the purpose of this research and in order to provide you with realistic numbers, I am using the metric of true CPM, which is total earnings, total number of views *1000. What are the highest paying YouTube niches? CPM rates vary depending on the niche. For example, the affiliate marketing niche have CPM rates of up to $22. Trading can have CPMs of $8-18. While dropshipping's average CPM is $12. Content creation comes slightly after that with $10 CPM. Affiliate marketing average true CPM, $12 to $22. Affiliate marketing is the king when it comes to earnings from YouTube ads. I went through the stats of 10 plus YouTubers in this niche, and it seems that the CPM they are getting can sometimes get through the key channel in the niche. ODI Productions is one of the prime examples in the affiliate marketing niche. His YouTube channel's average CPM is $25.50, which is definitely on the upper side of the bracket. Digging deeper into his channel statistics shown in this video, it's clear that the main advantage of the affiliate marketing niche is that you don't need an enormous amount of monthly viewers in order to earn big numbers from YouTube. You just need to drill down on relevant topics that are doing well, give your own twist, and you'd be ready to go. 2. Trading, investing average true CPM, $8 to $18. The finance niche in YouTube seems to be doing extremely well right now, with more and more brands getting into the mix. The ads competition is getting fiercer as well, to the benefit of all the finance-related creators, especially those who create trading and investing video content. Key channel in the niche. Andre Jiki is one of the biggest creators in the trading niche. Look at this video to gauge the monetization possibilities for your own channel. Drop shipping, print on demand average true CPM, $7-14. Similarly to affiliate marketing, drop shipping is another niche that saw a huge surge in the last few years in terms of the revenue content creators can expect to earn. Key channel in the niche. Wholesale Ted with over 500,000 subscribers. Wholesale Ted is clearly doing something right. Look at this video where she reveals some of her online earnings. Viral video ideas for your own channel. 4. Content creation average true CPM, $5 to $13. With the rise of the work from home lifestyle, especially during the current COVID situation, more and more people are trying to create their own online businesses. Whether it's via blogging, Podcasting, you guessed it right, YouTube. The demand for education videos related to starting a digital business and creating online content is consistently growing. Key channel in the niche. Catherine Manning. Catherine's channel is all about growing your YouTube channel. Those videos tend to enjoy from a fairly high CPM rate, so even lower-end videos that get 1 to 5K views can still generate serious income. 5. Personal finance. Average true CPM. $4 to $12. Personal finance is a topic that impacts all of us for the majority of our life, yet isn't taught at all in school. That's the reason so many people turn to the internet and YouTube to teach themselves about money. Reducing expenses is a huge part of increasing your net savings. And despite being a relatively small niche, personal finance videos on YouTube are doing very well without being too clickbaity. This niche is also a great candidate for other forms of monetization. Key channel in the niche. Allison Taylor is a small channel with plenty of videos about personal finance, reducing expenses and managing your budget properly. 6. VPN content. The VPN niche is extremely competitive with plenty of companies competing in a fairly limited field. As a result, the CPM rates on VPN content can reach very high numbers. 7. Amazon affiliates. Sub-niche of the affiliate marketing category. Videos about earning money with the Amazon Associates program in particular tend to get extremely high CPM rates on YouTube, most notably from other affiliate brands. 8. Website hosting. 9. Tech reviews. 10. Web development. 11. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. Despite the Bitcoin's usual ups and downs, cryptocurrency is still a very hot topic with lots of advertisers willing to bid on related videos. 12. Insurance. As boring as it may be to most of us, insurance is a topic with a lot of ongoing interest. It's one of the niches with the highest average CPC rate on Google all year long, and traditional advertisers are starting to move to YouTube thanks to the overall lower rates. 13. Website flipping. 14. Software reviews. 15. Business advice. This is a pretty broad term and can relate to large number of videos, including the personal finance and trading niches we have discussed previously. But from my observations, videos that target small, medium businesses in particular usually result in $10 plus CPM rates. 16. Career advice. Career advice from an experienced advisor can help you if you're struggling on your own. The career advisor will help you to understand your personality, interests and wishes, and on the basis of these things you'll be able to shape your career. Getting good career advice will help you to make the right decisions and map out the route to your ideal career. The advice will be multifaceted, comprising elements initially geared towards finding out what kind of job would best suit you. What are your interests and what are your qualities? What competencies do you have and how could you use them in your career? 17. Online deals. Online deals. People love finding deals and getting discounts on products or services. Summary. In short, what niche has the highest CPM on YouTube? The niche with the highest CPM on YouTube in 2023 is affiliate marketing. The average CPM in the affiliate niche stands at $17 per 1,000 views, which is over 10 times higher than the average CPM on YouTube. The affiliate marketing niche is extremely lucrative thanks to the high number of tech startups and online courses who are heavily competing for reaching this type of audience. Those companies have budgets in the millions, and they are spending it in order to attract valuable customers.